Dick Keenan, Keller Realty, and the Keenan Carter Group. You know, at the beginning of April to probably the 1st of May, the S&P 500 dropped maybe 10 or 15% because of the tariff conversations. However, you really don't know whether or not prices, how the drop in the S&P 500 index is going to affect housing prices. But here's a couple of dates when there were significant changes in the index and the resulting factors of how it changed the real estate prices. In November of 80 to August of 82, there was a 19% drop in the S&P 500, but the price of homes went up 7.2%. In August of 2000 to February of 03, the stock market dropped, or the S&P 500 index dropped 43%, but look what it did to housing prices. It went up 11%. And then more recently, in December of 21 to October of 22, the index dropped 20%, prices went up 5.3%. So we've already recovered the drop that we had in April, but let's see down the road as to see what it did to housing prices. So will it affect housing prices? Not sure.